Next, we will learn about subtotal. This function can be used instead of sum, count, max, etc. to ignore values that are hidden by filters or manually hidden rows. Now apply filter on all columns. Take the total. You can see the total of all sales is around 230,000 US dollars. Now apply filter USA to the country column. You can see even though the row have been reduced, the total has not changed. It is still around 230,000 US dollars. Now to display the exact total of all the filtered sales in place of some formula, we will be using subtotal formula. Now in subtotal formula, 109 is the function for sum. Now the formula is subtotal open brackets 109 comma B3 to B18 and close bracket. This is the total sales of the filtered row.